Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the Windy application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the right side of the screen. That's the third option. Tap on settings, which is the second option at the top. Now scroll down till you find this language section. Click on automatic, and here you can choose from a vast variety of languages. So click on the relevant one, and as you can see, the language of the application has been updated. So feel free to change it anytime you want to by going to this settings section and selecting the language option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.